everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we are going to show you how to install a 93-02 Camaro Firebird Reverse Camera. To start this installation, you want to remove your taillights. First, remove this plastic panel from the inside of the trunk. We are just removing this side panel in order to get to the carpet. Pull the carpet back in order to get access to the nuts that hold in the taillights and the filler panel. You want to remove those plastic nuts that are accessible through the trunk in order to remove your taillights. Here we are removing the nuts on this Trans Am. For Camaros, it is held on by 4 nuts. There are 2 near the middle and 1 on each side near the edge of the panel. Start to remove your taillights carefully. Be sure to disconnect all 4 bulbs from the housing. On Firebirds, once the taillights are removed, you will be able to remove the filler panel that goes between the taillights. Here is your fancy new reverse camera. Ta-da! Next, you want to remove your license plate. Attach the camera to your license plate. Be sure to leave the wires to the outside of the license plate because we are going to be feeding that through the bumper. Reinstall your license plate back on your car. Check it out. Also, you want to remove the plastic push pins at the top of the bumper. This way you have some flexibility with the bumper in order to route the wires through. As you can see here, above the license plate, there is room to route the wiring under the bumper into the area between the taillights. Once you get the wiring routed through the bumper, you can put your plastic push pins back in the top of the bumper. You can use the rubber grommet the tail light wiring goes through, or you can make a new hole to get the wiring into the trunk. Connect the camera to the main harness. On the back of the car, you need to connect the wiring for the reverse lights. The reverse lights are where the reverse camera gets power from. Attach the red wire to the green wire in the tail light wiring. You can attach the wire on the bumper side or the interior side, whichever is easier. Next, we recommend running the wiring up to the radio to test everything before running the wiring through the interior panels and under the carpet. At the radio, connect the yellow single RCA cable to the input of your radio. You will also have to connect the red trigger wire. Some radios have multiple inputs for the RCA cable. Be sure the one you use is for the reverse camera. Turn everything on and put the car in reverse. Turn the key forward, but do not start the car. After everything is working the way you want, route the wiring under the plastic panels in the back and under the carpet to the radio. Here we are routing the wires through the plastic piece in the trunk. Remove the bolt in the back seat so you can lift up the bottom part of the seat to get to the wires. Feed the wires through from the trunk. Remove the screw on the plastic paneling on the inside of your door. Here we are loosening up the plastic panel in order to run the wire under the carpet. We route the wiring along the door and then under the carpet to the back of the radio. Be sure the wiring won't get pinched when reinstalling parts. You are feeding the wire along this panel underneath the carpet.
Underneath, pops up right back here.
Once the wiring is ran under the carpet, pull through the back of the radio. will have to connect the red trigger wire. Check your radio owner's manual to see where it connects on the radio. Connect the yellow single RCA cable to the input on your radio. To test it out, turn everything on and put your car in reverse. Check it out, now you are in business. Once you are good to go, install your radio back in your car. And here it is, fully installed. Reverse cameras are great to just double check your surroundings. That way you don't run over anyone, anything, and you never know who might be playing behind you. All right, y'all, that is it for today. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We do have a couple more videos planned that we will be releasing very soon, but we would love to hear from you, so let us know what videos you'd like to see in the future. Y'all have a great day.